What's up? New camera dropped indeed. New camera has dropped. Actually, I think it was Lante. What's up, Martinos? Come upgrades crazy. Appreciate you, man. Well, we got some stuff to talk about, boys. It is a new webcam, yeah. There's a light right there. And the only real way I can protect my eyes looking at chat is if I wear these sunglasses, bro. Because there is a light right there. What's up, Ben? Moomta, what's up, brother? How's your weekend? Well, weekend was actually really good, man. That was like a nice break I had. Good morning, Sarvan. What is your chart color settings? I just use black and white. The background is this. Bro trying to flex with glasses, worst excuse ever. Bro, you can even see. Look at my glasses. See that glaring light, man? It's literally so bright. But to be honest, I don't even like wearing the glasses too much. It's so dark. These glasses are like really dark. And then besides that, everything's just what, like clear and black. Bias? We'll cover bias. Give me a sec. Good morning. What's up, brother? Hi, mate. I'm officially past my first funded. Nice, brother. I hope you can get a payout on that. I believe in you. Stay disciplined. Don't let the fact you're funded change anything. What's up, brother? Yeah, I'll trade today. My model forms. Yeah, I'm expecting it to be range bound. Especially because it was directional here. I would want to see us move lower if I'm being honest. This inefficiency jumps to my eye. Looking at your entry model, do you ever enter off an OB? Yeah, I can. Are you going to take a trade or just forward test? If my model forms, I'll trade. Wait, I got a subscriber on TikTok? What's that? I got someone subscribe to Basic for 3 months? What is that? I appreciate that, brother. Did you have to pay for that? You have to pay for subscribing on TikTok? I appreciate that, brother. You don't got to pay, my man. Appreciate that, brother. This is a 30-minute fair value gap. I like this one. It's very clean. It's very clear. FP today. That was Friday. Appreciate you, Mumtaz. The higher time frame breaker. We didn't really touch the breaker. Yeah, these lows look nice, but you know what? We should be charting on NQ. Let's chart on NQ. But like every time I give bias on Sunday, it doesn't even matter because we just gap up like hundreds of points. You know, let's just remove this and keep the quadrants on. Like what we always be gapping up. Someone asked me what's my bias, and I said, ask me after the gap up. I've learned so much from you. The least I can do. Appreciate you, brother. I appreciate you. Yeah, I like that this is open. I like this as a drawn liquidity. Listen closely. Listen closely. I like this as an objective, but I'm not really sure if we're gonna get there today. But I do like this. The fact that this is open and we only went one-sided, I really like it as an objective. But I don't know if we can get there today. We don't have any news. And we're currently like 200 points away. What is Powell test? He's probably just going to talk about some stuff. Definitely be cautious trading while Powell's speaking. Once we get enough people in here, I'm gonna have to make an announcement, and then we'll go from there. I'll be trading NASDAQ. Listen closely. If we are going to go lower, there is a very good chance price comes here. If we are going to go lower, we should come here. I think this is an easy objective. So primarily, I'm going to be looking for shorts. I think today is going to be not easy price action, but I think today's not going to be easy price action, but I think we can come to this green line. If we're going to go lower, we'll see. We'll see if we get a setup. 104. How many people on YouTube, buddy? Can you tell me? Or someone? What's up, Burrito? Gotcha. It doesn't matter how many candles, but just remember, if price is consolidating, then it's probably not low resistance conditions. Bro, apple juice, it's so good, bro. It's so underrated, I swear. It's just about like speed, you know. If you any move, if you're looking for a rejection, if it happens quickly and aggressively, that's just a higher probability. Sometimes it's slow, doesn't mean it's gonna fail, but ideally it's like quicker. It also depends at the time. Like sometimes it'll be at a macro or at a new candle's open. If it aligns with another candle's power of 3, like if we open 10 a.m., move higher, and then come back down inverse and you're bearish, does it really matter that it took 5 candles, or it's probably going to go lower? A buy is bullish, but the PA is hard to identify. Well, if you're bullish, do you know what you're looking for? Trading the big man. Yeah, but I don't really look at it that much, to be honest. I look at it like after sometimes, but sometimes he sends way too much stuff. But I do look. I do look after the fact. Okay. Everyone listen up. I have an announcement. We're gonna change how things go on around here, alright? this week and potentially going forward, I am no longer going to stream 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. I'm going to stream at 11 a.m. The reason is I think I can trade better if it's not live. It sounds like weird to say. It's almost like sad. It's true, man. Like, the truth is, content's my number 2. Trading's my number 1. I love trading live, but what would I rather do? Trade at like 75% of my potential live in front of you guys? Or would I rather just go live at 11 a.m. and go back and be like, I took this trade, blah, blah, blah. You know? Like, I don't think I can trade at 100%. No matter, like, even if I close the chat and I don't read it, like, it persuades me, you know? It persuades me. It's not about the comments. Like, I don't really care about the comments. This feels worse than getting cheated on. It is sad, bro. It is sad. I guess we could try comments off. I never really tried, like, full comments off. But, like, I'm gonna tell you guys what it is, bro. Yeah, I'll trade today. I'm gonna look for shorts, guys. I don't really have a clear bias right now because I don't think today's gonna be that clean, but I'm looking for shorts. The thing is, guys, this is the thing. It's not about, please do comments off. Your lives are so helpful. Damn, man. I know, man. I swear to you guys, I love going live so much. I really do. Like, I actually do. I'm going to tell you what it is that makes it difficult I'm going to tell you what it is that makes it go difficult for me. It's the fact that sometimes I want to take trades that I know a majority of the people are going to be like, oh, why would he take that trade, blah, blah, blah. In reality, even though I was just following my rules and it was a good trade, you know? And it's just, like, annoying because if that trade happens to not play out, I know there's going to be a whole bunch of people being like, bro, this guy sucks. Why would he take that trade? But in reality, I'm just following the model and it didn't work out that time. Go live, but turn your live screen around. I guess we could try chat off, but to be honest, it's not the comments. Like, I know I took off the comments. It's really not the comments. I really don't care about the comments. How do you start recording your trading screen? I want to make videos. I use OBS Studio. I literally just download it, set it up a little bit, and go live, pretend you're not even live. I mean, the thing is, yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. What do you guys think? I asked everyone for their opinion, but I didn't really ask you guys. Have I missed something? No, I'm just waiting for 9:30 open. I've been watching you for mad long. You probably saved so many people. Buddy says just turn off chat. I think the only stay live, your biceps, everyone, not lose. We will all help each other. Damn, bro. See, now people start talking, huh? I don't remember you talking about. People can turn the comments off by going clear screen. It's all about preference. Please stop trading live. Think of yourself. How do you split the screen on trading view? You just gotta click layout. I'll have to mute you when the market opens. Look, I won't take so much trades if you're lying. I'm going sort of actually it's understandable, but you can just turn off chat and never look at it. Try different methods to see if any work for you. I've been watching since 500 subs. Your market analysis is so helpful, even though I don't always have the same bias. It's helpful to have other opinions. Gator, stay, please. Gator, stay. You know what it is then? It's not about the comments. I realize that I don't really care. Like, the only thing about the comments is I get distracted sometimes. Like, I need to look more at the charts. So as long as I can minimize that, it's not really the chat. Yeah, like, I don't care about seeing chat. I don't care when people say, like, troll things. Like, that doesn't really affect me at all. It's just being live. You have so many people watching you. You can't help it, man. You just can't help it. Like, subconsciously, you know people are gonna, like, you know? So either I gotta find a way to just truly not care and make it not, you know, make it not affect me. Because, you know, I used to trade live, and I used to trade really good, man. We were catching amazing moves. I'm not blaming the live stream. Maybe it doesn't even affect me. I don't know. I don't really know for sure, right? I'm just like speculating here. Do I have to touch the body in the front? No, it can touch the wick. As you see, there's over twice as many puts on SPY and QQQ than calls for this week. That's interesting. It'll be easier to not care when you grow on your own for a bit. You have set a date on when you stop trading live. I don't know what I'm gonna do, honestly. I was just introducing the idea. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I really do like going live, man. I really like talking to you guys. It's like the best. It's like literally my favorite part of the day sometimes. What news do we have today? No news today. Start a Discord? I already have a Discord. You know what? That's the thing though. Why don't you just start TikTok lives? But that's where most of the trolls are. YouTube is chill. This is another option. This is what I was thinking. So a lot of people come to me for value in calls. Like the calls that I make. So I was thinking alternatively is to start a separate Discord channel where I simply just put my call, you know, like I'm looking at this level at this time, looking at this level at this time. It's not the chat, guys. It's not the chat. That's the thing. It's really not the chat. It's the fact that I know there's a lot of people watching. But I don't know. Maybe we can figure something out, man. Maybe we just see how this week goes. Going to market, open, are you bearish? I'm looking for lower. It's not even about bullish or bearish at this point. It's just I would never long this. I don't want to long it from up here. We got 10 seconds till market open. YouTube is chill. But like I said, it's not the comments, bro. It's really not the comments. Because I can easily just be like, whatever. You commented, you know. It's about the decisions that I don't want any of my decisions to be subconsciously affected. But, I mean, we'll see. I haven't made any decisions yet. I really don't know. All right. Let's focus up now. If not the chat, then what is it? I think this is what I think it is. I think it's the fact that this is what I mean. I'm just speculating. You guys give me your opinion. I don't know for sure. What I think is affecting me is when it comes to making decisions. For example, sometimes I want to take a trade, but I'm hesitant because I know some people in the chat would disagree with the trade, you know? And I don't want to take a trade that I know is a good setup for me, and then I take it, and then people are like, bro, that's a bad setup. Why would you take it? And if I just so happen to lose, that's on a Super Bowl? Bro, that shit was ass, bro. That shit was ass cheeks. Wasted 4 hours of my life. Should have stayed home. You know? I want to be able to make decisions without any, like, external sway. Yeah, subconsciously not wanting to be wrong during live. I know a lot of people just copy trade me too, man. And it kind of like sucks. Just gotta fully believe in the words you put out. I lost a $200 parlay. Was it? Yeah, if you bet anything Chiefs, you probably missed, bro. You're trading your money, not ours. Don't listen to Thomas too. No, it's not about that. Like, that's what I'm saying. It's not about the comment. You know, if people say like, "Why are you bullish?" Blah blah. I don't care. Like, I respectfully, like, I know my stuff, so I don't care. But it's just, you know what? So what? You know what? I just gotta. Like, you know, it does seem like something that I can overcome myself. But I've been going live for so long. Do you guys know anyone? Be honest. Do you guys know anyone who has went live for like 6 months straight, every single day at 9:15 a.m. Eastern time? I missed literally 5 days because I took a 1 week vacation. But I've been going live every single day since like March, bro. That's like the main reason I don't want to stop. TGR goes live every day? Where does he go live? I don't think he goes live every day. Yeah, I mean, I'm not hating, but I've went live every single day since like I think March or April. Every day. I took a 1 week vacation, so I missed 5 days. But I took a 1 week vacation. So like, it's so hard for me to say like no more lives, you know? I've done it every day, man, you know? Like I dead ass been here every day. It's literally like a part of me now. Yeah, I'm gonna trade live for I'm gonna trade, so if I take a trade, I mean I'm not giving out a signal, but I'm not gonna hide anything. Also, this looks pretty uneventful morning, so what's up, Taffy? The best strategy? I would learn about fair value gaps, learn about liquidity. Hmm. There's nothing here for me. I mean, this CISD could deliver lower, but I don't like how it's forming. I don't like the wicks. I don't know. I haven't made any decisions. The auto future. I haven't. I honestly just wanted to talk to you guys about it. Like that's what I was thinking, but now I'm getting kind of sad, bro. Like I don't want to. I don't want to stop. But maybe I just gotta like find a way to like. Cause this is the thing. I don't want to. I don't want to sit here and trade live in front of you guys at like 75% of my potential, man. Like it's I wish I could perform at 100, and I don't think I am. I don't think I am. I don't know if it's me. I don't know if it's the live. I don't know if it's the comments. I don't think it's the comments. I really don't care about the comments. You have to wait for 10 a.m. if you're on Power of 3. No, you don't. You can. In this case, I probably will. I'm going to rely heavily on macros today. Yeah, we have a big, fat, juicy org. Too many points. But I'm not going to look for any longs. It'll be like trading review. I don't know, man. Honestly, bro, what do you think, man? Yeah, I'm expecting a range day. That's what I called out in gems. Um, Now, bullshit. The pressure of wanting to be right in front of an audience make you less confident in your usual setup. Yeah. Is that first presentation? Yes. Poke on the chart, forget we're watching you. Yeah, I really just that's what I kind of have to do, you know. But I also could just be, overthinking it. Like maybe it's not affecting me. I don't know. I used to trade live and nothing was really wrong. I mean, we did used to have less viewers, but what is Nas doing? This is expected. This was expected. I'm going to rely heavily on macros today and 10 a.m. Silver Bullet. Yes, it's weaker, but the fact they're this uncorrelated is very low probability. Why does this happen and how often? We have CPI this week. It's typical before CPI. It's not the best. And also, we have a no news Monday, and we expanded overnight. It's unfortunate, but when you get expansion overnight like that, and you have no news in the New York session, it's likely to be some terribleness like this. So just be patient. Macro is 950 to 1010. The first macro. I appreciate everything you're doing for us, but put yourself first. Keep it up. Yeah. It's so sad though, you know, like it's so sad. Hmm. You trade on Wednesday after? Yeah, I'll trade on CPI. Hmm. This week though, when Powell's speaking, I will not be talking. So once he starts speaking, we're likely to get some pretty crazy candles. Gonna wait for that to pass and then go. Sorry, I'm new here, but what do you trade? I'm trading NASDAQ. Trading the NASDAQ. I'm late. What's the bias? Also, any news? It's not really a clear bias. I'm expecting it to go sideways, but if my model forms for shorts, I don't mind. I'll take shorts. I won't take any longs today though. I'm eating just an egg sandwich, bro, to be honest. Hmm. This is NQ, yeah. Very slow right now. Do you do mentorship? Yeah, I do, but I'm very selective with who can join. But you can message me, I guess, if you're interested, and we can talk. We can talk. How many trades do you take per week? Maximum 10. My mentorship's $50. Yeah, I don't charge much. Um, but I'm very selective. You know, I don't want to take anyone who I have to prove anything to. I don't want to take anyone who doesn't see the value. I don't try to convince people to join. I never ask people to join. Um, 10 is my max, but realistically, there's probably not 10 A plus setups every single day. I mean, every single week. I mean, maybe. If it inverse first presentation, would that be a good short for me? No, not yet. It's too uneventful. I don't like the SMT between these two. I don't like that it's not correlated. You think price will sweep on and lows? That's where my potential objective is right now, right? This green line. It's really smooth. I want to see it go there, but it might just be held higher, you know? It might just be one of those days. So I'm going to be very selective with my entry here today. You know? I don't want to... That inversion of the first presentation is not going to be enough for me. And look at ES, man. ES is literally about to take London lows. What is this, bro? What is this? Like, just terrible. Terrible. Terrible delivery. NQ is literally creating higher candles, and ES is creating lower candles. Why is NQ not taking? It's just the condition. It's just the condition of the market right now. It's not the best. Yeah, at least AMD is up. Hey, Nvidia's up. Damn, $3. Wait, we're up good, boys. Yeah, it's melting, right? And you know, I'm just gonna wait for the macro. Maybe ES can retrace and then dump, and NQ can take the high and then dump. What happens when you create an SMT from both sides? You ignore the one that is not aligned with your bias. This is tiramisu. What? I'm gonna look for that. See, I like that idea. Where do I see myself in 10 years? Bro, trading in a fucking mansion, bro. Just kidding. I don't really want a mansion, bro. Where do I see myself in 10 years? Hopefully really healthy. Hopefully with a family and kids. Hopefully with a nice house, you know, some cars. Um, Yeah, man, not, I don't need nothing much. Hopefully, like, I see. I honestly always wanted to be. Yeah, I want to trade for life, bro. This is good. Decent house, nice cars, nice house, decent cars. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. I don't need no crazy ass house, but I do want some cars, bro. Because you know what, bro? I don't know if you guys drive. I don't know if any of you guys drive, but like, but when you're driving, you know when you just step on the gas a little extra, and the windows down and the music's blasting, like I feel like that feeling is like that's like you can't really make that feeling up, you know, like you just can't. You just can't. Through a school zone, yeah, hitting kids on the way, like come on, you just can't make that up, bro. Can't, bro. I want to see this fair value gap fail. Dream car. I wouldn't take this inversion, but I want to see it fail. Um, probably a GT3 RS if I had to pick any, or a GTR R35. I really like the GTR R35. All right, we're touching that 30-minute SIBI that we marked out like 5 hours ago. M5. Yeah, an M5 comp or Liberty Walk GTRs are so nice, bro. Like I would actually love one of those. T6 is nice. SF90 is also very nice. Yeah, the kit's so expensive, but where are you from? I'm in Toronto. Toronto, Canada. 200 euros on long. Can you explain what ICT macro, what is macro open? The red box is a 30-minute bearish fair value gap. I wanted to see price reject from this level. A12s with a Novitec exhaust and body kit. Yeah. Oh, nice. Do you know Hamuzi? Yo, Hamuzi goes to the same gym as me, bro. I don't think he knows. I tried to message him. I don't think he replied. I don't think he saw it. But he goes to the same gym as me. He plays basketball there. I'm trying to get my cardio up and start hooping there. I can hoop, but I want to be able to hoop for like, you know, like in my prime when I was like hooping for like hours and I didn't get tired. That's why I'm doing cardio right now. So I'm actually working on my cardio because I want to be able to play basketball again and not get tired. He's a really humble trader. He's a good guy, bro. He's a good guy, yeah. How tall are you? I'm like 5'11". With my basketball shoes, I make it to 6 foot, so it's not bad. Is that LeBron? Guys, bro. Look at this guy. Look at this guy, bro. Guy said, how tall are you? Why is your profile picture like a legit profile picture from LeBron James, bro? Yo, Luka's making his debut today. I'll be watching that. Who they playing on? I'm gonna play the Utah freaking Jazz, bro. You discovered ITT from Hamuzi? Nice, bro. Hamuzi's a good guy. Hamuzi's a good guy. Um, he's really good at simplifying the concepts. And yeah, I'll leave it at that. I know he's watched my live before because he's come in my chat and talked. But I don't know if he knows. Yeah, I'll take a trade. I might actually short this coming up here. I think I would short this inversion now. We'll see. You drink? No, no. I don't do any of that shit. Boom, 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 boom. All right, let's watch this because this is See, the only issue here is I don't want to short it like this. I mean, I guess we could. It would have to be something like this, the stop loss placement. And that's not the best risk to reward. It's not bad. Yeah, 2 minutes cleanest. The 2 minutes cleanest. I like the 2 minute more than the 1 minute right now. Macros approaching. I want to see ES touch. Okay, ES touched the 5 minute bearish, so. I don't even know. I don't even have my top of accounts open, bro. Hold on. How many? What is this sizing here? Like 15 contracts? Wait for 5 minute change to stay. Bro, the 5 minute change to stay will be right here. That's like almost TP1, bro. I'm not gonna wait for that. Gonna wait for this 2 minute to fail and see. We have a 1 minute bearish. If we get the OB here, if we like close below this candle right now, like I'll probably short this. Yeah, I'm gonna short this for sure. As soon as it ticks up, I'll be trading all my accounts. As soon as this ticks up, I'm gonna sell. All right, we just entered short. 2 minute inversion. We touched the 30 minute bearish fair value gap. We are inside the macro. This is pretty much an A plus short in terms of setup. Let me remove the executions. This is a good short. Whoa. I want to see this fair value gap fail. And my stop should be over here. I want to see let me set my stop loss on both accounts. I want to see this fair value gap fail. This one, this lower one right here. Okay. Yeah, that's all the markings pretty much. So we came back up. We took this low. We came up initially, but obviously trade's not even validated yet. You got to give it some time. Obviously I don't like this wick, but again, nothing's invalidated. So what I'm looking at here the most is the P&L. No, I'm joking. Don't look at the P&L. What I'm looking at here the most is ES at this green line. My TP is, I like this. This is my objective. But if ES is going to reach this objective first, then I need to reevaluate. Like I can't hold. I'm not gonna hold it if ES takes TP. So I'm keeping a close eye out on ES. I want to see this inverse right now. I don't like that we closed above, but we did close below 50%. This is first presentation, so we can definitely use that to move lower. I'm watching this level on ES. And I'll probably close like 10. And on my top step, I'll full close. Was I wrong looking for longs? Probably, but I don't know. We'll see. It's still range bound. We could literally come here and then just... We could come to this low and then just go sideways. We're forming a 5 minute breaker. Yeah, that would be nice. Where's TP? Like I said, I'm looking for ES to reach this green line. And then I'll look to close probably. It's not a good reaction. I mean, it's a nice wick, but let's get some movement lower here. Maybe get some displacement. Should I short the inversion and wait for a pullback? I usually just short the inversion. Depends how confident I am. This was a good trade because it's inside the macro. And it hit the high time frame level. Five-minute breaker in making. Maybe, yeah. We'll see. We have an SMT that just got put in. Like this. So we'll see if that can hold. I mean, 10 a.m. is going to be long. Maybe. Paper? No. Go inside the 2-minute inversion. This is a eval. This is a Tradify 150K account. We know 1 hour FEG. Bearish or bullish? Bearish. I'm just watching the candle body here. If we're going to go lower, it'll happen right now. If we're going to go lower, it'll happen right now because we just took out the short-term high. Okay, back at our entry. This is a mitigation block on the lower time frame, so if we don't get below that, then it might stop us out here. We had a really nice body coming down, but yeah, look at that wick. Wicking right on our entry. Very range bound. Very range bound. We closed about 50% there of the 2-minute inversion. We touched a 10-minute bearish on ES. We'll see if that delivers lower. I hope you get TP. I got L today. That's okay, bro. Oh. I'd love to see a nice body right now after taking that short-term high. That would be like ideal. We touched a 10-minute bearish on ES, so it would be a great time to go lower. Another issue is we are forming a 15-minute bearish, so we might go sideways until then. 10 a.m. comes, and then we get something like this at 10 a.m. That's possible, you know? So that is making this trade a little worse. No news Monday. Yeah. I believe we get a move lower, but I think I might have been wrong about the timing of the move. But I mean, we followed the rules, so it doesn't matter. Funded? This is eval. Charge it to the game, my boy. Charge it to the game? What does that mean? Yeah, it didn't really remain heavy downside at all. It was such a nice displacement. Market is targeting ICT cheat codes. No, there's no cheat codes, bro. OTE? I don't think OTE is gonna hold here. Yeah, we hit OTE, but our stops are right there. We reinversed the 2-minute, so in reality, this trade is pretty much invalidated. But we'll see. The SMT is still there. The 10-minute bearish on ES is still there. You should have waited to close lower on first presentation to FEGs. That would have been a terrible risk to reward trade. If I just wait for every confirmation possible, I'm gonna miss the move. If I short it down here, and then what? Look to TP at like 0.5 R. Yeah, it's ranging right now. This is the issue. Like 10 a.m. is gonna come. 10 a.m. is gonna come, and it's likely to take us higher first. If it's going to go lower, 10 a.m. is likely to go higher. So either way, we probably get the stop here, but we'll just have to look for a re-entry at 10 a.m. Unless 10 a.m. just dumps, but if you use fib, it hit the 61. I think it hit the 72. It hit the 0.71. What'd you enter off of? I entered off the inversion. Getting real close to our stop loss. Yo, is that a potential Diddy candle forming? Drake, please save us. That candle started really aggressive lower. So I actually thought it was going to maybe displace lower. There's your 10 a.m. high. I got stopped out on top step X. Only minus 300 though. We're still alive, boys. It's not over till it's over. Bro, just close? No. Why? Would I put my stop loss there if I'm gonna just close? Alright, there you go. We got stopped out. I'll probably look for a re-entry off the 10 a.m. idea now. Yo, imagine this just goes all the way down. Rage bait, market's fried. Damn, we took an L2. Yeah, we took an L2. Still bearish? I'm still bearish. Yeah, what if I told you I'm in longs on yes? Yeah, we probably take out the high here at least. I mean, should I get trading in the zone? I would really recommend getting that. So we just touched the 15-minute bearish on ES. Let's see if that can deliver something lower. Damn. We'll look for a short again. This time we'll wait for a CISD over here. Something like this. I'm bearish too. Yeah, I'm still bearish. I wonder if it's G into the longs. No. You know what I wonder though? Earlier this month, or earlier last month, I made a mistake. I mean, I wouldn't say it's a mistake. It's not like a rule break or anything. But we have a very large opening range gap. And if it's really large like that, you don't expect it to come back down. But if the model's just so nice for shorts, is that really like your... Is that really your criteria then? You know, you just don't short it. 30-second short. I need to see the CISD if I'm going to short again. Is targeting age low too far? The thing is, I'm going to tell you what the thing is. When the opening range gap is over, I already made a video about this. When the opening range gap is over 120 points, this is your opening range gap, 170 points. You don't expect it to get filled in the morning session. Can it? Yes. This was a good short idea, but it's kind of like a negative confluence for your trade, you know? In reality, like this long was a lot better than the short. Just taking first presentation off the CISD because of the opening range gap idea. Shorts were beautiful at 791. Not really. I mean, you shorted it like this, you mean? Like, I mean, I wouldn't say beautiful, but yeah, I guess. It's just, I don't think the move is short, you know? That was just a retracement. I had a good day, took 2 shorts on GBP and USD, 1, 2, 3. Nice, bro. I'm proud of you, man. Like, I don't think shorts play today, or not this morning session at least. High computer load detected? Fuck you, bro. Because the opening range gap is... The opening range gap, you close early, Chooch? Fear, I guess. Ain't it always? You'd probably really benefit from trading in the zone, Chooch. You and me both. I wonder if ICT said, like... I wonder if he talked about the opening range gap in his Telegram. Probably, I'm not going to watch the audios, but... I wonder if he said... Yeah, he didn't talk about the opening range gap. He also wanted the shorts, it looks like. Yeah. So ITT was saying, like, he was looking for it to inverse first presentation and then go lower. Like this. I thought he would... I don't know. Because I heard him say before that you don't want to see the opening range gap get filled. So... Yeah, I don't think this goes lower. I don't think this goes lower anymore, guys. It would have went lower here. You were looking for long? It's just hard to look for long. We only went up all day long. Is it bad to think like that? Just the longs are not high probability. Like, I guess you can, like, if you know what, in my opinion, it is high probability because you lower in the, yeah, I wouldn't lower, maybe not today, maybe lunch or PM session, but I don't think this is gonna make lower lows soon. Yes, it took high day actually, so we'll see how that plays out. A good trade though. Even without the opening range gap, I think that was a good trade. I think a long off first presentation idea, but I see it's down 20 points for the longs were clean. It's not bad, but why were you bullish? That's my question. Why were you bullish? I don't really see a clean case for longs, or like what to aim for. The video is ripping. Let's go, man. That's what I like to hear. It's what I like to hear. Coming to fill the rest of the imbalance? I mean, yeah, it looks like it, I guess. I wouldn't say this is a move to the imbalance. I think it's probably going to take the buy side at this point, but I guess we shall see. But I think even ICT had it wrong today. If I'm reading his chats, Oh, I guess he didn't really want shorts. Like, he wanted to see first presentation get inversed and then go lower. That Dunkel's counter. Nice, bro. I'm gonna lie. This past week or two, it's been so hard to trade. No really clear draw. Just trading in the range. Yeah. Nearest IPTA 60 level is 21875. No trades for me today. I wouldn't look on the daily chart for levels today, but the nearest IPTA level is right here, bro. It's previous day's high. It's right there. What do you mean? You usually get it wrong. Oop. I'll do because I wasn't embarrassed. You guys over got inversed too. I mean, yeah, that's not a bad way to look at it. I was bullish because I wasn't bearish. Wait, what? Yeah, looks like we might go to those daily equal highs. I personally don't think this can go lower today in this session. Where was the good entry? I think the only good entry for longs was this CISD right here, in my opinion. Off of first presentation. Yeah, you just wait. If you waited for your double purge setup, it formed twice. You bearish? I don't think it's gonna go lower anymore. No, I'm bullish. I thought it was gonna go bearish once I saw it. Like, I was bearish going into session, but not anymore. I was short after 21853, all or nothing. Yo, I'm gonna trade USD. Good luck, bro. Low-key thinking about dropping out of high school to pursue my dream trading. I agree. I mean, don't drop out of high school, bro. There's probably some lessons that you could still learn from high school. How do you feel with FOMO? What PD array sponsored this move in London? It's called the manipulation PD array. Do you go collect, bro, or not? What's collect? What I'm talking about that short at 950? I took it and I hit stop loss. It was a good setup, but just the wrong bias. You took anything? We took one short. College? Unless you know what job you want, I think college is a waste of time. Nice long TP. Nice, bro. Someone asked me a question. Do you think PM was going to be good? No, not really. If I'm being honest. Oh, yeah, I do have a degree. I have a degree, yeah. Yeah, I can go higher, man. I don't know how I can long this though, if I'm being honest. I guess silver bullet idea. If we retrace into the 5 and get an inversion, maybe we can look for a continuation idea. My last time looking at your stream, I'm going to solo and use my own bias. God bless you. Hope you become a contribution to you. Appreciate you, bro. Trading on evals? Yeah, I'm on evals right now. What in what? And you got some advice for college? How long did you go? I went for 4 years. I have a degree in exercise science. Yeah, straight up. My condolences for real, bro. All right, toxic. Toxic. It's not a bad long idea. No, it's not long. It's not a bad idea. It's just, in my opinion, it's really hard to look for longs because of how premium it is. We only went up all day. We swept no liquidity intraday, besides like these little 1 minute short-term lows that are put in. So that's why I think it's low probability. In terms of daily power of 3, we did this. Like, that's it, you know? So that's why, in my opinion, it's low probability longs. I wouldn't look at it as a good thing. Don't look at it as a good thing. It's kind of like a red flag for longs. Um, you know, it's just the drawn liquidity was wrong. You know, we just kept pumping up. Yo, bro, I needed some advice. Been trading for a minute and seen progress. I know my strategy and back that's quiet, but every time I hop on the charts, I just get railed. Well, you got to learn why are you getting railed? Boom, 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 boom. You could have looked at ES, I guess. ES did sweep sell side, but still no really discount. Like discount was not really offered today. If you were bullish, that was a good protraction long. In my opinion, yeah, your protraction long off first presentation is probably the best. This is probably the best, but you had to be bullish. And I just wasn't. I thought we were gonna inverse first presentation, continue lower. I was already in the short at that time. Am I insane for being bearish on NQ? I understand why you're bearish. I used to also be bearish in times like this, and it could go lower now. But in my opinion, it's low probability. I don't think it's going to go lower. Not in this session. Maybe during lunch. I want. If I'm gonna trade, I need to see this. I'll go lower once it hits 851. It already hit 851. The short at 930. I know I shorted 950 macro. If you view it through the lens of double purge, it kind of makes more sense. That we put in this low, came up, induced liquidity, ran that liquidity at the low, engineered liquidity here, and then ran it. But then also same thing as vice versa. Like we engineered this low, came up with the buy side, the sell side, buy side. Yeah. We'll see if we get a retracement. What's 950 macro? It's just a time you expect the market to move. Double purge is OP, man. Every move is double purge. PO3 forming, yeah, it's distributing right now. Do you use higher time frame? Of course. This is PO3 distribution at its finest. I would use this leg to project your PO3 distribution. There's -2. I don't think this is manipulate. I mean, I don't want to persuade anybody, but I think this is just gonna be a higher. You know, this is just gonna go higher straight up. You trade the first 30 minutes of market sometimes. I think I have like an 80% win rate when double purge is included in my trades. Bro, double purge is so high probability. Good luck in your trade. I'm head out. Take care, brother. What do you expect? I expect it to go higher. What is double purge? It's the engineering of liquidity, run on opposing liquidity, and then distribution. Yeah, there's S&T, but I'm bullish. What do you expect? Yeah, higher. Higher. Big man alive again. Let's go live every day here, Gatie. I do go live here every day, but I was just recently saying like I might have to stop, but I don't know. Yeah, we took a loss today. Ordered there. Match really I promise for not taking it today. I was patient and follow rules. Nice, bro. That's the best thing that can happen, to be honest. I am long. Good luck, brother. Man, stop. No, man. Keep going. Man, I love it too, man. I love it too. What is NVIDIA line? I don't know, but if NVIDIA wants to keep pumping, that would be great. Let me check my position on the video, actually. I mean, we're so down on AMD, though, but if we can bounce... Yeah, NVIDIA's looking good, bro. Oh, we're up good. Yeah, we're up good. We're up. Five percent on the video. Apple, we're up like nothing. We're up like $50 on Apple. And AMD, we're down a hefty. We're down 2.5%. So overall, we're up like 4%. NVIDIA heavily carrying. But we can always close NVIDIA and just hold AMD, you know? It's never a bad idea long term. Once NVIDIA reaches all-time highs or something. Got stopped out on sweep of IRH. Not sure what that is, but makes sense. Been in long since Asia session. That's really cool, bro. Proud of you. Cecil. I wouldn't look for longs. I mean, I wouldn't look for shorts. That's just me, though. But I don't know. Let me ask you guys, bro. How many people are in YouTube chat? Can someone tell me? No trades? I don't know. There could be a trade. If we retrace, I'll look for a trade setup. 10-minute bearish for about 10-minute bullish. We have 165? Do we actually? Holy shit. Right when I consider going... This fucking everyone decides to join. Alright. Answer this question. I'm doing a poll. Alright. That's the poll. Obviously, everyone's gonna say 9:15, but like just think about it. Like just think about it, you know? Damn, we barely retraced. We just do. You were right about what? I have to get out from tilt. I'm in a constant break-even loop. You can stop breaking even your trades. You're probably doing it too early. That's for starters. Shorts look so good. Maybe, but for me, I'm gonna look for continuation longs personally. I'll wait for 10:30. Probably will be our best idea. Do you trade with props? Yes, I do, Dominic. Yeah, everyone wants me to keep going live 9:15. The thing is, like, am I gonna trade better without live? If you trade better off stream, just do the recaps and stream occasionally. Well, what I would do, so if I don't trade live, what I would do is I would go live at 11 a.m. Also, why is my camera tilted here? What I would do is I would go live at 11 a.m. and I would just show like any trades I took, why I was bullish, why was I bearish, why I lost, or why I won. Which I know it's not the same as live. Like I really like going live. I like calling it live. It's a lot more fun. But I gotta like trade better, you know? I don't know if it's the live stream that makes me trade worse. Maybe I'm not trading worse. Maybe it's just there's nothing there, you know? I don't know. But what I do know is if I am trading worse on live, then what's the point of going live and trading in front of you guys? It's not even like an accurate representation of how I can perform, you know? The purpose here is to be transparent as possible. But if I'm going live and I'm not trading at my best, then you know, like that's not what you guys would want to see. That's not beneficial to anyone. Then, like it's like you when you watch. It's like you don't want to watch an NBA game, but everyone's playing at 50% level. Like, what's the point? This is your first time trading live in early year conditions? No. Oh yeah. Well, I've been trading live since like March. Show your roof light, bro. It's popcorn. It's a popcorn yellow light. Like it's not that good. I'm glad you're saying this. I see. I'm just asking you guys though, straight up. Would I miss out if I don't trade? No, man, you never miss out. The market's here every day. What are you missing out on, bro? You have to do what's best for you. Yeah. It's just I don't want to like I miss the lives, man. You know? Like, would you guys join at 11? Be honest, bro. Like, be straight up. Like, just tell me honestly. Don't say yes just to make me feel better. Would you guys join at 11 a.m. if I went live to recap the trades I took and what I saw? Maybe I'm still in a trade and I'll be holding it through 11 a.m. Soheb said no. Just be straight up. Like, I'm not gonna be butthurt, bro. Just be straight up. Be straight up. Cryptic said yes. Rilo's yes. Muffin said no. I got work at 11. No. Joseph said no. I would try it and see. Nah, bro. Hito said no. Yusuf said no. Hell no. Makes no sense. Hell no. You took the same trade? Yeah, it is what it is, bro. As long as you go live at 9:15 first. No elections people live for the company while I trade. Yeah, read them yads off too. Everyone on YouTube saying no. Sometimes it would be helpful. I would regardless, but I like your morning bias. I don't lost a part of the business, but your trade idea wasn't the best. These are not high probability decisions. It was a good trade, bro. That was a really good trade idea. I disagree with you. Show your roof light? Bro, what? It's just a light. And long in that 1 minute it'll be nah. Sarvan said I'll come. See, most people said they wouldn't come. I would regardless. Appreciate you, Pierre, but I get you. I understand. Go live before, then go live afterwards. Bro, that defeats the whole purpose. I'm not gonna do 2 live streams. You want me to stream 9:50 to 11 and then again stream at 11? ITC said that your best decision as you learn is to cut off all social media. Yeah, I don't really say I'm learning though. I'm just really trying to execute my model here. I'm a lot past the learning phase. I'm not really learning. The only thing I'm learning is about myself, you know? As soon as your account starts growing, it'll become very boring. I know something that every day waking up doing the same thing over and over again gets really boring. How about you trade London? Bro, London is 2 a.m. in the morning for me. That's too late, bro. Why do you think our bias was wrong? I think the opening range gap being greater than 120 points is a red flag to look for shorts in the morning session. You still learning? Learning what though? I have my model. I'm not going to change it. I have a profitable model. Appreciate live walkthroughs. Win or lose, there's always something to learn. Exactly. There is always something to learn. Damn, I guess a lot of people look for insight. Not as effective in live. A trade recap will only teach me anything. Not as effective in live. Yeah, calling it live is very important. I agree with you. Being there live is very important. Is today no news? Today is no news. Was it because the trend was bullish as to why shorts were the wrong decision? Why are you shorting? Because I was bearish at the time. We took the same trade, I think. Market is cooked. I think might just walk away. I think it's just going to keep going higher. And if we don't get a retracement, I'm looking at the 15-minute fair value gap that's about to form. So I'll just wait for that. I know why you think it was a good trade, but you didn't wait for a proper confirmation on higher time frame than 1 minute. Yeah, well, I'm a day trader, you know. What time frame would you say you have to wait for a confirmation? If I wait for a 5-minute breaker, we're literally like 2 points away from TP, so I'm not going to wait for a 5-minute breaker. It's all about predicting. If I had the right bias, it would have went lower. 2, 3, 5. I shorted off a 2-minute inversion, so I mean, that would be incorrect. That's what you're saying. The market wants to grab the liquidity bust. Yeah, it just wants to go higher. Which trade are you taking right now? I'm looking for a retracement. Are we going to all-time highs? I mean, I don't know, man. But Nvidia's pumping, and I'm not complaining. That's all I'm gonna say. Let me ask you guys another question. What if I went live, but the chat was off? Would that even make a difference, though, bro? Like, I swear it doesn't. I don't think that would make a difference for me. Like, chat on or off, it doesn't even matter. Quit with the questions? Me? I think that would help you a lot, actually. What makes you say so? Yeah, I'm not doing this. Like, at the end of the day, if someone said there would not be viewers as much then, bro, am I here to help all of you guys trade? That's not why I'm live, you know? You're a top 10 trader in the world? I love the lives. Thanks, bro. Do, 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 do. I mean, yeah, you short on 2-minute version, but that was only a time frame. I mean, yeah, you shorted on 2-minute inversion, but that was the only time frame out of the 3 I give you, bro. See, like it's shit like this, bro. You know, like you guys can see it. Even YouTube chat's getting weird now. Yeah, but I think at the end of the day, the community also wants to talk and share ideas. Yeah, that's what the Discord's for. You know, you are doing well in your off-stream trades. Like the last 3 trades I took, bro. My last like 4 winning trades, I think were all off-stream. How is it weird? I'm trying to help you because like I'm not gonna change my model because someone named Dominic Kuzman said you have to wait for a 2, 3, and 5-minute confirmation. Like, you know, I have my model. I'm trading my model. I know it works. So like, your opinion doesn't really matter to me. No offense. I'm not saying your model's bad, but you like, what do you expect me to reply to that? Ah, shit. I'm gonna change my model, do exactly what Dominic says, and we're gonna be profitable forever. No, bro. Like what? If Notion makes you more profitable, do that shit. Just live streaming the Discord to people who are actually serious. That is a possibility. So I'm gonna tell you guys the reason I go live. The reason I go live is I want to show a transparent journey of a trader. I've been going live since March. You guys have seen me, all the wins and all the losses since like March or April, whenever we started. That's my goal. I want to build it up from the bottom to the top, and I want it to be documented for myself and for everyone out there. That's my goal. It's not to make you guys think, you know, don't make us pay. No, but that's the thing. Like, it's already a benefit for you. Like, I'm not doing it to help all of you guys get your bias, and I'm not going live for you guys. No offense. So I don't know. I gotta figure something out. Gotta figure something out for sure. Cause what's the point? What's the point of going live if I'm gonna be not as accurate, not as precise, not as consistent? What's the point? I think people come in here to compare their bias of day of week. If that's what it is, though, then we could always do like a live from like 9 a.m. to 9:30, talk about bias and what I'm gonna look for, or I could make a like if that's the reason. How did you learn ICT quick? I pretty much studied like 10 hours a day until I got it down. If that's the thing, then we could always make like a separate Discord or something where I'm giving out bias and calls live. Did you trade yet? We took one loss yet. You can see the executions. Like if that's the reason everyone like, you know what? Let me ask you guys straight up. What's the reason you guys like enjoy the live? Like what's the reason you guys like the lives at 9 a.m. as opposed to 11 a.m.? You know? What time do you stop? I'll probably stop at 11 a.m. today. Someone said insight. Someone said to trade with you. I like your analysis. I think you should be my student. I'll make. You're getting banned, bro. You've been saying some weird shit. Go. No weird people on YouTube, bro. How do you ban people, bro? Remove. Like, compare bias and why Diddy candle happened. Conversation is helpful. It gives me more confidence when someone else sees the same thing. I just like having a trader up while I'm trading. It's boring alone. It is boring alone for sure, bro. Trading alone boring as fuck. I like to compare bias. I'm learning too. We're in the same situation. Sun said I'll make you a demon. Yeah, that guy's weird, bro. He's just definitely not doing good. I like your courage. I took the long trade. Nice, bro. I want to hear something like that guy said. I like the analysis. I've been doing just to hear someone talk. Are you ready for Canada to become the 51st state? That's probably not gonna happen, bro. And just not to get bored. Dead ass. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, you had to long first presentation there. You really did. You had to be bullish to begin with. And if you were bullish, you would have seen the longs there. But I wasn't bullish at the time, so I didn't see it. I'm waiting for this 15-minute fair value gap, by the way. I'm not distracted. I'm just waiting for it to retrace. If it doesn't retrace, we can't long. I'm watching to learn Power 3 so I can implement it in my trading and watch it live. So you're watching me do my model live. How are you still here? I thought I got rid of you, bro. I got kind of lucky. My bias was bullish. That's not lucky, bro. I mean, as long as you had a reason. With IFG, with Robo, try to go break even at swing lower high. Yeah, we didn't really take out any swing lower high though. I mean, I guess we took out this one. What do you think of AA bands? I don't know. I don't know what he's selling, but I don't think he believes in the algorithm, so I probably disagree. I'm just looking how other traders are trading. Gotta keep it up. Don't listen to these fools. You gotta trust this process. You got this. Trust the process. Didn't trade yet today. How do I get over the trade of not making progress when I don't find a trade? Not taking a trade is progress. Think about it like this. In terms of the account, I took a trade today. I lost. You made more progress than me today. I took a step backwards. Sometimes in trading, the only progress you can make is not to take a step backwards. Dad, you know better than most. Avoid the noise. You're giving so much sauce out there for free. Not every trade is a winner. Continue your work. Yeah, it's not really about, for me, it's not really about losing and winning. Like, I don't mind losing on live, bro. Trust me, I've been losing on live for a really long time. I made 2K my strat, looking to retest the one first FG first class because everyone else was short. Nice, bro. Nice, bro. Yes, that's really good. If you were bullish, first presentation was really nice today. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. I don't want to stop the live. I don't want to stop the lives because we've been doing it for so long and been pretty consistent. But I definitely need to find a way to trade better. Like, what if I told you guys I'm only trading at 50% of my potential and I could be trading 50% better if I was off live? Wouldn't you guys be curious? Wouldn't you guys be like, oh shit, like, he could be trading better? The insights would just be better. The trades would be better. Everything would be better, you know? Although we do really good on live, to be honest. Like, we call price pretty perfectly most days. You're also pretty upfront. Yeah, I'm pretty transparent. I have nothing to hide. Take the risk and test it for a week and see if it makes a difference. You might trade 100% better. True. This shit won't retrace. I'm looking for the macro primarily, ideally. Are you gonna wait till PM? If it retraces here, oh, I'm thinking what I would do. These are the options. These are the options. No matter what happens, I'm always going to go live to show and document like the trades I took. Cause I'm never gonna hide trades. Cause listen, my purpose of going live, like I said, is to document the entire journey from beginning to end. So even if there's 0 viewers, I'm still going to go live and show all the trades. So then it's all documented for me and for anyone else out there. So that's always gonna happen. But what I'm trying to say here is just maybe not live trading. Live is another element. Yeah, like we should be able to just follow the model. That's another thing. Live or not, you just have to follow the model. But sometimes I hesitate, you know, I'm gonna be honest. Closing all the chats. Just give us a few days notice for what? 1 hour bearish order block. I think price still goes higher. I think we go higher. I don't know. It's not what I expected today going into the market, but I think that's changed. First level I'm looking at is probably this rejection block and then the buy side level. But realistically, it's just, yeah, the buy side. I don't see the rejection block holding. If we just go, though, then there's no trade idea. How can I get the free PDF? It's in my Discord for free, brother. What I was thinking, what if you don't actually tell us or show us when you enter a position? No, I don't mind. I don't mind showing positions. That's not what it is. Do the exact same short. I don't know. Maybe we're just overthinking it too. Like maybe there's nothing. Maybe we just gotta keep trading. You know. Were you bearish today? I was bearish originally, but as soon as I got stopped out, I pretty much realized we were not gonna come back lower. And then no trade set up for longs. So no, I didn't take any other trades. Yeah, I might hop up a chart to lock in tomorrow. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna give us a setup. How long you been on a losing streak? I won like not long ago. I think we're like 1-1 last 2 trades, or like 1-2. Were you bear? I was bear. Gotta keep live. I need my free signals. See you guys. See. Some people just come here for the signals. That's another like thing that. I know you're joking because you're always here, but there are a lot of people who are not joking. You know, there's a lot of people who just take the trades with me, and then they message me and they're like, "Bro, fuck you, bro. Like I lost." I was like, "No one told you to copy me," but I know they're gonna copy me. You know, nothing I can do. Do you read TikTok live chats? I mean, right now, yeah, I'm reading every chat. What are your entry criteria if you want to go long now? It needs to retrace into the 15-minute bullish fair value gap and give me an inversion, ideally inside the macro. In this time window. But like, be like TGR, don't tell when you enter and hide it on stream. That's so weird. You guys want I hide it? That's so weird. And then I just be like, guys, I want to trade, and just like sneak it on. That's like so. Do you know how to identify institutional order flow? Yes. Wrote thoughts on SMCI. I don't know what the hell SMCI is. Due to close of duplicate levels. It's this green line, so I don't know if that's what you marked out. If it refers to previous days highs and lows, that's your most recent level. How do you put that line in the FEG? Just go to settings of the FEG, style, and then middle line. What do offer for your mentorship? What do I offer? Like what's included in gems? If you're really interested, then just message me. I can send you the information. What trade did you take today? I took this short. Which mentorship would you recommend? 2022, in my opinion, is the best. In my opinion, it's the best. I agree. People want free shit, then complain why isn't it working. I'm willing to put in their own work. Yeah, man. Lux Algo has an indicator the highest SMTs, but it's not that good. I want to make a better one. See if we retrace here. USD GPY? Good question, bro. Let's see. Damn. I mean, I would have loved shorts from the daily City, but we didn't even get there, so there's no swing trade idea for me. I'd have to wait later in the week. I don't know. I don't know what to do, guys. I'm gonna be real with you. I really don't know. What I could do is kind of like something similar to ICT, but the longest I've held a trade, probably like 2 or 3 hours. Besides swing trades, does it include swing trades or stock trades? Guy, try not to go live one day and see how you feel. Maybe 2 to 3 days a week. Yeah, but the thing, I don't know. What I was thinking is a possibility is if people who want to see the bias and the thought process, like the live and the thought process, if you guys want to see that, I could always do one. The thing is, no one is going to go back and watch anything recorded. Everyone's lazy. People want it to be live in front of them because that's when they're trading. Bro, before and after, how would that solve the problem, bro? I don't know. Best time to trade PM? You come after 1:30. 1:30 is when PM session starts. I don't know, guys. It's definitely a kerfuffle. Straight up. That's the only way to explain this situation. To kerfuffle. Because I really do want to trade live, you know? I've been doing it every single day. Like, when was our first live, man? Do you guys want to see? Almost had another 15. Yeah. Why did it expand so much? It's really bullish. Trade on Discord. Yeah, we could always do Discord. Your biggest win, I think like $2,000 if you're only including futures day trading. Okay, guys, look at this. We've been going live. This is gonna take a while. Guys, I'm sleeping in London session. Like, I'm already halfway done my sleep. Bro, like, we used to do so good. Like, 10 point ES, 140 points. Bro, look at this. 100 points, 120 points, 10 points on ES, 140 points, 100 points, minus 30, plus 50. Like, damn, bro, we were cooking. We were cooking, bro. Nine months ago. Yo, I want to watch one of these and see what the hell was I doing. Mayday 1, Mayday 2. Now it's minus 20 points every time, bro.
The app significantly improved.
Demonetized for watching my own video. Bro. There's like nobody in chat. There's like 5 people in here, bro. What is that? Opening range gap that I marked? Wait, did we catch a dub? We took wins? Wait, it was a loss. How? It was going so good. Added volatility. Damn, we got destroyed. I re-entered short and then, oh, I played out after. Unlucky. Oh shit, I shorted again? Did I take 2 L's? Damn. Did I just end the live? That's funny, bro. Do you take any trades today? I took 1 loss today. Took a short. It was wrong bias. Maybe you're just overthinking it as well. Losing happens to every trader. Watching back with trader caps, we still trade the same way. And watching you watch yourself. You're watching me watch myself, yeah. 9 months ago was great telling my girl I made it and shit. Now look at me. That's funny, bro. It has been difficult markets, that's for sure, but what evals? I'm on 150k eval. How am I doing on it? We're up 1.6k. And on Top Step, we're up $300. This account a little bit more, $400. So we're still up on the accounts, but trading's been tough, man. Trading's been tough. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. It's been tough for me. Did you take any trades today? I did take a short, yeah. Why did I take a short? The reason I took a short was we've been primarily bullish all day. So I thought we could take out some sell side. We had very clean equal lows right here in discount. I thought if we were going to go higher, it's likely we come into a discount anyway. So I thought it was high probability. Then we touched a 30-minute bearish fair value gap in premium. And as soon as we touch that, like, bro, doesn't it just suck? Like, why do we have to get this displacement right here? Like, exactly from the level and the time I'm expecting it, and then it just fails. Like, it's so whack. Like, if we were bullish, we really had this displacement lower. Like, that's how you know price is being held, you know? Like, that shit is so algorithmic, bro. Like, we said we're gonna wait for like a 950 macro short from this level. And we saw every single thing that we wanted to see. We touched the level once, twice, down, inversion, CISD, and then as soon as I enter, just wrong bias. And just immediately inverses that 30-minute fair value gap and then goes higher. Yeah, it looks like we might not get a trade. It's just going higher and higher. Not really any setup. You can set it as sell in TP. You probably just don't know how. You can. And you gotta put a sell stop or a buy stop. If you enter the 1 minute CFTC, would have gone on a 2R. Where? This candle? This candle's closed? I don't know where it would have gotten 2R. No, I didn't win today. That's possible, Harito, that we're just overthinking it as well. It's possible. That's the thing. I don't really know. All I know is I want to try to. Where should I cut my hair in Toronto? Bro, you gotta come to my boy Hammy, bro. He's goated. He's been cutting my hair for a long ass time. Now he works in a shop. Can you show how? Yeah, so if you enter a short, go above market price and put a buy stop. This is your stop loss for a short. If you're in a long, go below and put a sell stop. That's for longs. So you just right click, trade, sell stop, buy stop. Thoughts on SMCI? I don't know what that is. Sounds like it's made up. Bro, but every barber's like $60. Yeah, but they're expensive, straight up. They are expensive, straight up. Fly the Discord out? Bro, I would love to, man. That sounds like fun. I gotta fly myself out first, bro. I don't know how I'm gonna fly you guys out. Gotta fly myself out. This is not longable, guys. There's no way I can take a trade in this. It's just way too far in premium. Can you explain again buy stop and sell stop? Yeah, it's stop losses. If you're in shorts, your stop loss is a buy stop. So if you go short, you put your stop loss here, that's a buy stop. If you're in longs, you put a stop loss below, it's called a sell stop. Bearish Reaper? No. I mean, I guess you could, yeah, I guess it is, but is it really bearish? I don't know. All I know is, guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but all I know is, nah, I've never traded YM actually. All I know is I want to trade. What the hell is a bearish Reaper? It's one of ICT's fair value gaps. Why don't you trade Dow Jones? I like Nasdaq more. Nothing wrong with the Dow. I just like Nasdaq more. All I know is I want to trade at my full potential. I want to give myself the opportunity to trade at my full potential. You know? You're about to bang a 7R. Nice, bro. Yeah, this, if you're in long, it looks really good. It wouldn't even make sense for me to trade live in front of you guys if I'm like not performing well. Like if I'm not performing on my best. I want to be able to, like, even if I want to just provide insights, I need to make sure that like I'm able to do that nice, you know, actual insights and stuff. 30-minute FEG bearish. I think it goes higher, but we are getting into lunch hours now, so maybe it's not you, it's the market. It's never the market, but you can never blame the market. It's me for sure. Like, maybe I feel pressure to take a trade, or maybe I feel pressure, like, hesitant, you know? One thing I will say is recently, it's just shortable. I wouldn't short it personally. What I will say is recently, I've been hesitating on a lot of setups that played out. I've been hesitating on a lot of setups that my model forms, and I've been taking a lot of setups that I don't think I would take, you know? I took one trade today, guys. You know, and I don't know if it's the live, I don't know if it's me, but $100 he lost live? No, I lost more. I lost on this account, we lost 300 on these two accounts. And on the 150K account, we lost 900. That's actually quite a bit. That's like max risk for the max risk. You shorted this, expecting the 15 to get inversed. Where do you think price is gonna go, Toxic? Am I crazy? I think you're just chasing. Where do you think it's gonna go? Took the same setup. It was a good trade, you know. It wasn't a bad trade. I will say though, recently we have been doing better. I haven't been hesitating as much. So recently it has been better. You had a good life. Now go to LA Fitness. Boom, boom, boom. Is it safe to trade every FEG on? No, don't do that. I was trying to first discount array. But why do you think price is going to go to a discount? Do you think it's going to stay range bound? You think it's going to range? I don't know about that. Did you go short due to the 1 minute CFD? Because we're so premium. It's not bad, but you're kind of fading this entire displacement higher, you know? Like, the market is drawing higher. Yeah, it could retrace, but if you're following our models, Toxic, if you're following our models, there's no model that says retracement model. That's not one of the models, you know? There's no model that says this isn't a reversal. If you're to reversal, then you're making the argument that we're going to come and take out this low. So that's why I asked you, what's your drawn liquidity? If you said, I think we're going to reverse and take out the sell side all the way down here, yeah, it's possible. The timing's a little off. That's like a lunch reversal. At this point, like 1050s, you're pushing into lunch. But it's possible, you know? But it's unlikely to reverse this late, but it's possible. But if you think we're going to reverse, and then it's a valid short, yeah. Off of, I'm not sure what PD rate, I guess a 30-minute bearish or 15. Yeah, you're right. That's not a bad way to think about it, Toxic. As long as the thing is, if you're gonna short, like I said, if you're gonna short, then you're making the argument that we're going to reverse this entire move. That's the reversal model. You know, 930 PO3 reversal, meaning we take out the 930 low, which means you think this is a manipulation. How likely is that? That's pretty unlikely in my opinion, you know? That's 150 points higher. I get you though. You just, that's the thing. Like you want, it may go lower. You want to see it go lower because there's a breaker and all that, but it's all about the narrative and bias, you know? If anything, this is a protraction. It's a very deep premium protraction, but it's a protraction. We're about to get breaker mitigation. If this formed a breaker block here, we'll see if it does. I took a trade today on ES. My neighbor was good, but I followed the model wrong. Yeah, unless you think it's gonna reverse, then that's like the only model. The reversal model is not wrong here. You have to believe that it's going to reverse. I think we're trying with S&P this morning. Nice, bro. Market maker sell model forming. Possible, yeah, it's possible. We could reverse here. It's possible. Could you take the CE the 9:31 minute CB on Friday? I'm not sure. I just wanted to ask you if you know anything. It's not first presentation. If it's not first presentation, I wouldn't use it. I might actually long this if we get a nice closure. I'd have to break even at the highs and just aim for 2R, but it's not a bad trade. This closes bullish. Do, do, do. It's gonna be too late probably. By the time this inverses, we're already gonna take the high. I don't think we're gonna get an opportunity to long this. Yeah, we're not gonna get an opportunity to go long. This is breaker mitigation. I also don't really want to long it all the way up here. That's like, it's not bad. I do think it'll take this high, but it's kind of bad if you know what I mean. It's so far in premium. I think it's best we just sit out. That's a breaker. Yeah, it's definitely not A+. It's definitely not A+. Any trades today? We took one short here. Got stopped out. 2 losses, down 350 for the day. Catch you tomorrow. Take care, brother. See you tomorrow. So your trade you took is right here. It's been there the whole time. I'm just trying to see the chart as well. Take it on paper? No. I can outline it how I would take it. I would take it like this if I took the trade. And I would break even at the high. If I were to take it, this is what I would do. We can get back to that. Let me watch this. Yeah, we took one trade today. It was a loss. Now I'm tape reading this setup. Tape reading this setup because it's not A+. But it does meet my criteria. But again, I'm not going to take this farm premium. Dodgy took that short too, but went break even. Nice, that's good. I don't know. I don't know what to do, guys. What I do know is I need to make a decision and figure it out because it's kind of stressful just bouncing back between the two ideas. I'm not going to trade. I'm not going to take any more trades today. We're done. I'm just watching this. I'm not in this trade. I'm just watching. Tape reading. Yeah, I took one trade today, Ryan. We hit SL. I took a short at 950. 950. What about you, man? What about you? Two break evens? Nice, bro. Not bad. Yeah, I'm talking about the live streams. The trading live stream specifically. Because if I was to stop going live, I would go live at 11 a.m. and just document like all the trades I took, answer any questions. If I was to stop, I'm saying. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I don't know. Will you go live for the mentorship? That would kind of defeat the purpose. The thing about going live in Discord, like I could. The thing about going live in Discord is unless everyone muted, which I could do, I don't want to hear people talking when I go live. That's like one thing I don't like that for sure. I don't like trading when people are talking in my ear, you know? That's like, to me, that's just really distracting. I like to just be in pitch quiet. Why not take a live hiatus for 2 weeks and see how that works? Yeah, we could. SL, I didn't take this trade. How do you have a mentorship if you are not profitable? Because I have a lot of knowledge to offer and I have a lot of experience. I've gotten 3 payouts. I've come back from a lot of drawdown. No, I didn't take this trade. I was tape reading this. I didn't take this trade. It's tape reading. My mentorship is $50, but it's not really open. That's why I don't talk about it. I don't talk about it. I ain't eligible? Says who, bro? Always saying if you want to see you tomorrow normal live too. I mean, we'll see. We'll see. I'll make an announcement. Says who, Tarek? Stop loss coming. I didn't take the trade, brother. No one is telling you to take a trade. I blew my paper because of the trade. He's just joking. Brother, but during phase, you used to say that it'll be free whenever I will do mentorship. I definitely did not say I would do a free mentorship. When did I say that? That would just be too much time, Rid. You know, all my models are free. All my books are free. And if you don't want to join, don't join, you know? Isn't this a bearish market structure shift? Not really, no. All these people hating. Yeah, people are gonna hate, bro. It is what it is, you know? Top tier hating, like just don't join, you know? People join, they find value. My students know the value. That's all that matters, really. It's $50, you know? Worst case, you realize there's no value. All right, bro, it's $50. It's not hate, it's reality. Well, the reality is I have students that are returning every single month. I have like 80% of my students come back so far. They know the value, you know? And I don't even market because I don't want, listen, the mentorship's not for you guys. To be honest, it's not for you guys. It's for the people who want to learn because they know what I have to offer. If they want to learn, they ask me, can you teach me? I say, yeah, I can teach you. What's your strategy? I trade power 3. This guy's selling out free content and fucking using all this. I see. I mean, yeah, so don't join, you know? What I teach in my mentorship is my model. How many students? Right now we have 12, I think, 12. I pretty much cap around 12. I'm a little bit over. Usually I just want like 10. They don't understand the value of knowledge. Yeah, don't join then. It's as simple as that, bro. Yeah, I can't get out of my head, bro. Don't join. I'm not in my mentorship teaching how to trade a fair value gap. I'm trading my model. So if you want to learn my model, I mean, I don't know who's going to teach you my model better than me, you know? That's it. That's all it is. And by the way, everything I teach is for free. There isn't anything I don't teach for free. It's all on YouTube. It's just people, they want more guidance, you know? Yeah, I agree. Everything's online, but some people, they want guidance. Some people want someone to tell them, look, I think price is going to go here. I think this is going to happen, blah, 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 you know? Some people want that. And for those people who want that, they message me and they're happy. And if you don't want that, then you don't want that. It's fine. So if you want to buy a share, you have to spend. No, you don't have to spend that much, brother. It's just, this isn't dollar value. I mean, listen, if someone wants to go to a profitable mentor, which, by the way, last year was a profitable year for me. If you want to really be so nitpicky with the word profitable, but yeah, go to someone else. I'm not convincing anyone to come. I don't even ask. I'm watching your P3 play for the 3rd time, but still struggling. What's your advice? If you have questions, just message me. If you watch it 3 times, how much am I up on the eval? We're up 1.6K on this eval, and we're up 400 on these evals. So what's the most I made in a day or week? I think it was 2,000. It was like one really good trade. You think prices are drawing towards past? Yeah, I do think we're going higher. This isn't an SMT. No, I don't have any funded right now. You talking like that already? No, you don't even know. You talking? What is SMT? It's a divergence. How many payouts have I had? I've had 3 payouts in my lifetime. Last year. One tick from your stop loss? Damn. Bearish OB. I think this forms a bullish or OB, but we'll see. Boom, 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 boom. What is an industry? 3 payouts last year, making lives on TikTok selling courses. That's not even what we're doing here, bro. What's gonna happen to gold? I'm personally bullish. How long you been trading? It's been about, I started September last year. Boom, 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 boom. What's that saying? Are you still bullish? Yeah, I am still bullish. People hating if someone wants an extra source of income. It's not even for me. I'm not even the one who opened the mentorship and then requested people to join. People asked me. People came to me and they said, can you teach me this in more depth? I want guidance. Those are the people I'm going to help. You know, it's as simple as that. If someone came up to you and asked you, can you teach me? Yeah. If that's the type of mentality you have, then I think that's really good. I wouldn't mind teaching someone like that. My psychology fooled me. I lost my account today. I'm sorry, bro. It happens. Took long today. Good profit. Nice, bro. So it is extra income. It is extra income, but it's 50. I charge $50. It's pretty much just the amount of time that I put in is that, you know. If I put in, like, if I did daily one-on-one sessions with every single student, obviously I would charge more. But it's $50. But I don't know why we're talking about mentorship. I don't even talk about my mentorship. It's, trust me, it's none of you. It's not for you guys. It's not for any of you guys. I took a big L on ES and a huge W on gold to make it all back, plus $20. We'll take it, bro. We'll take it. It is what it is. I want to see if this goes higher, but I mean, I'm not trading this, obviously. The average risk to reward on your strategy? It's a minimum 2. Some months I get up to like 4. You're in longs now? I don't know about that. How long you been trading? I've been trading since, like, realistically, you went long in the CISD. It's not a good long. Pretty sure you're not one of those trading gurus charging like 2,000. Listen, the truth is, guys, about my mentorship, is it's probably not for you guys, you know? Why it's on the charts? I'm just talking to chat, I'm not trading. I get why you're frustrated. Why is it not for us? If you haven't already messaged me about wanting to learn my model, and the industry is not really like, yeah, there's a lot of scammers, but in reality, how is it a scam? It's only a scam if they're promoting something that's not true, or if they're promoting something and then they don't deliver on that. It's not a scam to charge $1,000 if they're giving you exactly what they said they were going to give you. It's not a scam. You're just annoyed that people are paying them $1,000, you know? It's not a scam. It's not like they're saying I have the secret 100% guaranteed profitability if you pay me $1,000. Am I trading tomorrow? Yeah, but I won't be trading while Powell's speaking. I'm going to be waiting for him to stop. This is NASDAQ chart. Why is it not for us? I was talking more to TikTok chat. I have 0 fundage right now. I'm working on 3 evals. 8:45, hopefully cooks. What's 8:45? I think mentorship is for the people that need extra guidance but already got the knowledge. Listen, if you're someone who wants to be guided, prevent yourself from making mistakes. I've made many mistakes. I can teach people to avoid those mistakes. No mentor promises profitability. If they do, they're lying to you. They just promise the tools. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what it is. You can't promise profitability to anyone. You can't. You simply cannot promise because it does not matter. You can give everyone all the tools. They may not be able to use them, you know? That's just the truth about trading. Nobody can promise you profitability. Toxic, how many trades are you taking, bro? Damn. This guy spoke it into existence. That's the truth. ICT does not promise profitability. Nobody can really promise profitability, you know? You can't. But they can promise you the tools required to be profitable. That's a really good way to put it, whoever said that. That was really good. 2 trades max per day for the most part. There are some exceptions I allow myself, but that's pretty much 2 trades max. ICT is not profitable, and it has been proven countless times by iMan Trading. Yeah, I don't think it's been proven. I definitely think he's profitable, but that's just me. Why was it not a good long? I want to journal it. What you should journal is the opening range gap being greater than 120 points. When the opening range gap is greater than 120 points, there's a good chance it will not trade back into it. It's been proven, bro. Go look it up. Holy shit. I'm actually giving you the sauce and truth. Maybe you are, bro. But nonetheless, it doesn't matter to me because I don't need the ICT anymore. I got my model. I got my model. Please, if you want to save some time, I'm good, bro. I got my model, bro. Listen, for everyone who's saying he's not profitable, none of you guys watched him trade live. You guys did not watch the live streams, you know? As someone who's watched every single live stream on his YouTube, I can tell you that he's taken many winning trades compared to his losing trade. Yes, I've watched him lost. Yes, I've watched him lose on live stream. We saw the Robbins Cup though. Yeah, but let me tell you something. Yeah, this is you guys are so stubborn, bro. Bro, stop telling Gatie what to do. It's 2 months since I know the market is based on algorithm. Bro, you guys realize he didn't even have to tell anyone about the Robbins Cup. He could have just not told anyone. But the fact that he's telling one just knows he has nothing to hide, bro. People blow the Robbins Cup conditions, that's how they are. I'm not saying like he performed good, but that's just how Robin Cups is. If you're gonna go for a record 13,000, you're gonna either blow your account. Yes, he's done tournaments so many times and blew up all of his accounts. That's your mentor, by the way. Yeah, who's your mentor, bro? Whether he's profitable or not, it is a matter of a teaching's work that can be seen in others. That's like when USA lost the World Cup. Shit happens. That was crazy, actually. Yeah, you gotta over leverage to break the record. Yeah, you have to over leverage, you know. Call it the best mentor. He did it for people like us to not sell a course or make it harder to. Just learn from you who you think is suitable and good. I do. My mentor is Trading Floor in Bern, Switzerland, bro. Trading with his students. Cool. That sounds pretty cool, bro. I hope that works out for you. Just learn from who you think is suitable and good. I mean, I'm done learning, in my opinion. I don't have much to learn anymore. Why are you not entering trades right now? It's too far up. Kind of just missed the move, and I don't want to chase anything late into the session now. Now we're just chilling on Discord, talking to chat. You know why you're not? Yeah, that's why I don't enter. Mentoring is realizing every strategy can be profitable. I agree. ICT doesn't disagree with that either. I believe that by testing with the strategy you're profitable is fine. Unfortunately, I think it's more than just that. If it was that easy, I'd probably be a millionaire by now. I probably have more backtests than anyone I have more backtests than anyone I've ever met. Unfortunately, being profitable in theory, right? Being profitable in theory is not the same as actually being profitable in not theory. Yeah, confidence is a big part of that for sure. You know A4X? Nah, I don't know who that is. Calling it quits, bro. Yeah, I mean, I called it quits a while ago, straight up, but I'm just here. I'm just here, chilling. Yeah, we took one trade today. It was a loss. I shorted 950. You know Powell trades? Yeah, I've seen his stuff. How long does it took for you to be profitable? I don't really have a good answer for that. Like, I don't know. 8 months. What about him getting kidnapped? That was definitely a troll, bro. I mean, ICT is definitely a troll. We can get that straight. How long it took me to get the first payout? My first payout came after I started trading or after I started learning. Once I started learning ICT in September. I got my first payout February. I'm trading ICT. I know buys when it comes to an entry, but I miss a lot. Appreciate you, Tarek. Yeah, bro, it's all love. I mean, you too, man. I hope all traders find their success, bro. Shit's not easy. I better hit TP or my kids are not eating. 5 months is decent. Yeah, 5 months is decent. Yeah, I think it was. I mean, it doesn't really matter. It's not the time period. What's your total payout amount? I've gotten $3,000 in payouts. Why don't you trade prop firms? I do trade prop firms. I've gotten one $2,000 payout and then two $500 payouts. I will say though, I was eligible for a $3,000 payout on top of that, and I did not take it. I kept going. I was greedy. I had a 100K funded account with Top Step. I had 15 winning days, and I was at 6,000 P&L. So I could have withdrew $3,000, and I did not. I kept trading. That really affected me. You know? How much have you put into trading? I don't know, bro. I have truly no idea. You lost it all? Yep, I ended up blowing that account. Well, what ended up happening was I was at 6,000, right? I went all the way down to like 3,000 something, whatever. I took a $500 payout and then I blew the account. So at least I secured 500, but yeah, I was eligible for an extra 3K pay. That would have been my fourth payout. Actually, no, it would have been my second. It would have been my third. Were you being emotional? I was being greedy. Like, I was winning a lot of trades, and I thought it was like, yo, I'm gonna go straight to 10K. I'm gonna get a 5K payout, and then I'll have 5K to work with. I can risk 500 per trade. Like, I was just being greedy, you know? Then I went on a losing streak, and then I started over risking, lost the account, and ended up only getting a $500 payout, which at least we secured a $500 payout. But do you give any relationship advices? Sure, bro. I feel like I actually have really good relationship advice. If you want to ask me, I think I do. How many funded accounts have you blown in total? Get a low taper fade? That is what I get. When I get a haircut, that is what I get. Break even is good now for what? 50% split, or you kept it for buffer? Both. I left it for buffer, but that's why I would have done 3,000, right? But it's not 50% split. It's you can only request 50%. So, yeah, I trade ICT. How many funded accounts have you blown in total? Man, including ones I've gotten payouts on or no? Maybe like 6, 8, 10, maybe. Including funded accounts, not evals. Funded accounts, including including ones I copy traded. Cause I used to copy trade like 6 100Ks. No, not all 100Ks. They were most 50Ks. I only went for the 100K once. How many funded have I blown? Bro, I don't know. At least 10. At least 10. I think 10. Evals? A lot of evals, bro. Maybe less than 10, actually. Because most of the time I get funded, I get a payout. The last 2 times I was funded, okay, the last time I was funded, we did not win a single trade. We just blew the account straight up. The time before that, we won 4 trades in a row. We were 1 way from payout, and we blew we lost every single trade after that. That was the last 2 times. But before those 2 times, I got a payout on every single fund that I had. So, it's been not bad, but how many evals have you blown? 100? No, not that much, bro. No. Maybe 30? 30? 25? Yeah, I shorted today. I have a problem. I've been passing like 8 accounts and all getting blown as soon as I get them. That's really quick, bro. I don't know, guys, but I need to figure out this situation. I know a lot of people want me to keep going live, but I want to trade at a peak performance. Give you some psychology tips. Read Trading in the Zone, bro. Losing shouldn't be that repetitive. You're right. Yeah, I have too many losing streaks. I'm too streaky. If I wasn't so streaky and more consistent, I probably would have a lot more payouts. But unfortunately, I just kind of go on winning streaks or losing streaks. Not really that as consistent as I want to be. Couple months? Damn, that's a long time, bro. I shorted as well as 15-minute intermediate. I was flat inverted 2-minute targeting SSL. What do you think? It's not a bad short, but it's not the most eventful. And how is the model that good? It's not usually the model that fails me. It's usually myself. I wish I could follow my... If I followed my model every single trade, bro, then... it would have been a lot different. Bro, not a bad short. I've been in this trade for 30 minutes. Yep, not bad, bro. 30 minutes, not bad. I shorted 15 minutes. Oh, this one over here? Yeah, that's what I shorted too. Why don't you follow it then? Greed, FOMO, impatience, too much patience sometimes. Sometimes I'm too patient. Like, sometimes my model farms, I hesitate, I don't take it, and then I miss the move, and then I end up taking a bad trade after the fact. That happens to me quite a bit. And it's harder on live stream, it's harder on live stream because you don't want to lose, as much as you want, as much as I don't want to admit it, like, sometimes I'm a little too hesitant on live stream because I don't want to lose in front of people. It's not easy to lose in front of people. I don't mind after the fact talking about it, but like when everyone's watching you, you almost want to live up to a certain expectation. But it's better risking money on A+ setups and you have... No, I agree. No, you're 100% right, bro. I don't disagree. I do not disagree. Are shorts looking good? No, I don't think anything's looking good anymore. PM session is looking good, maybe. Why don't you take a long today? We were bullish. I was bearish at first, and then once I realized we were going to go higher, my model did not form. Yeah, the market pretty much just went up. I mean, there was a nice setup down here, but besides that, that was it. That's pretty much it. Yeah. How many people are on YouTube right now? Is everyone still here? Did everyone go? I shorted at 9:50 a.m. You kind of revenge trading today. You kind of revenge trading. Take your L today, man. I'm not trading. I'm not trading anymore, bro. I pretty much stopped trading once it was like 10:45. I'm just here. I'm just here talking to the chat. Fuck trading streams. Play chess. Should I be a chess streamer? You think the algo could change, or just be a? No, I definitely think it can't change. It doesn't make sense. It's designed perfectly to run in on liquidity. You can't. It's kind of like, you know what? There's some things I'm pretty skeptical about, to be honest. But there's some things that you just cannot hide when it comes to the algorithm. There's some things you simply cannot hide. The inefficiencies, the swing highs and lows, your opening prices, your macros, like these things are like absolute almost. Is Luka dropping 30 today? You tell me, bro, because I'll put him on a slip right now. To be honest, I was feeling going the under on him because, like, I don't know. It'd be kind of funny that he just has a bad game. Do you not use indicators for equal low? No, I do that myself. I think it was like 27. Traded W. Now we took an L today. I just gotta figure it out, guys. I don't know. I want to go live and trade live, but part of me just wants to trade, lean back, play some music in the background, maybe, you know, trade for an hour or two, and just enjoy the peace, you know? The market should get better now. Yeah, I can show the trade I took. It is the second week. Yeah, it is. I don't know, guys. Going live was so fun. I don't know. We'll make an announcement. How much you can draw down before blowing your funded? It depends on the account, Rug. If you have a 50K account, your drawdown with toss-up is 2,000. So you can't go to negative 2,000 on a 50K account. You think the Mavs will make the playoffs because AD is injured? Isn't the top 8 teams make it? How much you risk percentage-wise? 0.5, pretty much, I guess. Is my best answer for you. It's top 8 teams. I mean, who the hell's gonna overtake them? The Phoenix Buns, bro? I hope they make the playoffs, bro. AD's injured. He's only injured for like 3 weeks, probably, so there's still time, right? He'll be back in, like, let's say March. There's still time, right? When's playoffs? April, no? When's NBA playoffs? Pelicans? Well, the Pelicans made playoffs last year? The hell? When is playoffs? What's the date on this game, bro? When's playoffs, man? Someone tell me, bro. Oh, April 19. Yeah, bro. No, there's hella time, bro. It's just, I mean, realistically, your top 8 teams in the West, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 are making it for sure, in my opinion. And then you got 2 more slots. Dallas is definitely the best one there. Maybe Dallas and the Kings, Dallas and Clippers, maybe the Phoenix. It's literally gonna come down to like these 2 out of these 5 teams right here are gonna make playoffs. You know, I mean, yo, Spurs with the Aaron Fox. It's not bad, but they're still shit. It's possible, man. I want to see Dallas in playoffs. Dallas is pretty good, man. They'll probably make it. I think it's going to be like Dallas and Phoenix, maybe, or Dallas and the Kings. Powell testifying means he's gonna be giving a speech, talking about something. I don't know, Fed rates or something. You taking a trade? Took one loss today. 950 macro. Look up what Bron equals ring. Bro, not that they lost Mark Williams now, I don't think so. I actually thought they could finish. I thought they could win the Western Conference Finals or at least top 4. Not with Jackson Hayes as their starting center, bro. Sorry, but that guy's not there, bro. Take care, sorry, man. How the fuck am I still in a trade? Sideways. You think you're gonna trade tomorrow, Wednesday morning? He's speaking. I'm gonna be watching his stream, and then when he's done talking, I'll also look at the market once it like fizzles out and it looks a little bit more clean. Then I'll trade again. Usually when he trades, you'll see stuff like this, like just spiky moves over and over again. Sometimes, not all the time, but usually when Powell speaks, you'll see stuff like this, aggressive moves quickly, and then it'll just go back to like normal, you know, a little bit more predictable, less insane. Did you do backtest? No, I didn't backtest yet. I'm not backtesting today, I don't think. I know. I posted something in my Discord. You guys can go check if you guys want to give me your opinions. I labeled it advice for Gaddy. You guys can drop your opinions if you want. Yeah, I don't fuck with Hayes started, but I can't let them blowing teams out regardless. 10 wins in the last 12. Good teams, no. Yeah, but a lot of those wins are with AD, no? Have you ever backed that? Yeah, I back this all the time, man. Well, I think that's probably it for me today, guys. If you guys want to give me some advice on what I should do, go to this channel. Let me enable slow mode. so people don't be spamming this. But go give me some advice. Let me know what you guys think. I want to be able to perform at a max potential. But I will see you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow, either at 9:15 or 11. Good teams too. Knicks, Celtics, Clippers, second best defense in the league. I mean, yo, my personal opinion, top 4 teams: OKC, New York, Boston, and Denver. I think those are your top 4. I think that's your Eastern and Western Conference Finals. Close contenders, in my personal opinion, a lot of people may disagree. I think Minnesota has a chance. I think Cleveland has a chance. I think the Lakers and the Rockets. But the Rockets, I don't know. I like them, but I don't think they have what it takes, to be honest. Memphis is not bad. Memphis and Rockets, like, I don't know. Yeah, I don't think the Cavs have what it takes, man, to be honest. Like, they're playing really good, but I think it's they hit. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think they have. I think the Knicks beat the Cavs. You think the Cavs got that one? I mean, we'll see. It's gonna be good. I think Raptors make playoffs this year, if I'm being honest. Obviously, I'm biased because I'm from Toronto, but I think Raptors make the playoffs. I think they make their way up because Atlanta's gonna get booted. I don't see Atlanta making it. Can you recommend me a broker? Just use Trade. Let me check the NBA standings, bro. I'm actually curious now. You got my attention, bro. You got my attention. Um, show me the bro. Okay, in the East, yeah, I like these 6 teams making it. Where are the Raptors? Bro, Raptors not even on the right there. Damn, they got a freaking ways to go, man. But realistically, Cleveland, Boston, New York is pretty much guaranteed. Pacers will probably make it. I love Detroit. I like Milwaukee should make it too. These top 6 are probably locked in playoff spots. And then as for your next 2, the Raptors are a long way, bro. They have to win like every game. I don't like Miami. Orlando's not bad when they get Jalen Suggs back. Atlanta's done, in my opinion. I don't want to see them go. They're just going to get eliminated first round, guaranteed. I think Raptors have a chance. Philadelphia is such a letdown. Maybe Raptors and Philly would be like my ideal if I could pick. I don't like the Bulls. I don't like Miami this year, personally, bro. I think they're bums. Let's see, Raptors. Maybe I want to see the Raptors get in there. As for the West, yeah, we already talked about the West. For the East, yeah, I think these 6 are locked in, bro. I don't see those 6 not making it, personally. It's 8 from each, right? So, yeah. Or is it 10? Wait, it might be 10. How many teams make playoff? Oh, it's 16. Yeah, so 8 and 8. Yeah, I was gonna say because they put a line right there. I was confused. First 6 are guaranteed. Wait, so what do you mean? How does that work? What about the 7 and 8 spot? Then from 6 to 10, it's the play-in. Oh, so that's why there's a line there and there. So 6 to 10, it's a play-in. What does that mean? What does that mean? Whoever comes out of the play-in. So 2 teams out of the play-in will come out, or how does that work? 2 teams from each conference. I think Raptors make playoffs, bro. How do shorts look right now? I wouldn't look for shorts personally, but that's just me. It'll go low. I think it can go higher from the 15-minute bullish fair value. That's what the 7 to 8 seeds plays. Everyone's get 7 seed. And then 8 and 9 play for 8 seed. Interesting. So that's before playoffs, right? Damn, that's pretty interesting that they did that. The loser plays the winner. So 7th and 8th seed plays. Oh, that's sick, bro. So 7th and 8th seed plays. Whoever wins gets 7th. Then you're left with the loser of that. So 9th and 10th seed play, the winner of that. Interesting. That's the week before playoffs. Interesting. I think Raptors can make playoffs in that case. That's very cool, man. I think the Hawks keep losing. Yeah. That's so interesting, actually. Anyways, we should probably go make some more food. I already ate breakfast, but I'm gonna try to eat some lunch. Oh, wow, look at you guys. You guys actually went crazy in the chat for me, bro. You guys are very loving, bro. Fucking love you guys. All right, let's set up let's do the quick market review here. Look at the bodies respecting org high. I'm just setting this up for the review so I can put this. Oh, we also have to journal today, actually. I took a trade. I almost forgot. Just gonna journal. The week before was that's sick. That's sick. Let me move this, get a proper screenshot here. Okay, I will journal in front of you guys and then we'll head out. Yeah, I took one trade today. I'm about to journal right now. It was a no. I did take a no today. Um, 1766. 85 points. The original SL was 9.21 points. So we were looking for 4R. Trade management, none. Trade timeline. We entered short at 950. Stop that at 10. Rules broken, none. PO3 candle was 930. Setup was reversal. Entry model, entered off the IPG. Confluence. I mean, it was also the CISD too, right? So there's more off the CISD. Confluences, M30, Libby, and Premium. Relative equal loads below MNO. We had it wasn't that bad. You just had to be bullish. And you only had one or two opportunities to get in there, really. So again, we were shorting an opening range gap of 120 points. That's always going to be a red flag. It's not a rule break, but it is something to keep in mind, right? Making the trade not completely A+, and just shorting in such a premium when it's just so strong and you're still shorting. Anyways, I appreciate everyone coming through. I will be live tomorrow, either at 9 a.m. or 11 a.m. I will have to figure out what I'm going to do. Regardless of the fact, it'll be posted. So if you stay tuned in the Discord, you'll know exactly what we're going to do. I appreciate everyone coming through. I appreciate all you guys' support. I will see you guys live tomorrow. Peace.